windmill. Amazing kayo! It's so pretty, guys. Cheers! I had fun. However, na-jellyfish sting atin yun. Eating shop for lunch. Bibili na kami ng kainin na namin sa ferry. Got hungry. Bought torta for 30 pesos. Pandiba saya for 30 pesos. Clown 9. Did you have fun at Siquijor?
Yes,
How's your experience?
It's so far so good, very good.
Yeah, boy.
Summer rain on the window.
So, init. We're now here at the our motor rental is already waiting for us. Na-delay yung ferry ng 20 minutes.
Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento.
Morning, citizen address. Asa yung biyahe?
Sa Forest Camp.
Forest ka, Valencia na mo. Then, dito, pabugno ko na mo dito. Pabugno ba ka dito?
May lang, init kayo.
Picture. Picture ko siya, ma'am. Sa page. Okay.
As I fall behind, I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future.
First stop at Dumaguete. Major Ranch. Picture ano na to? Katong mag-transition. Perfect good kay magbalik-balik ta. Diba? Tanawa, entrance. Walay entrance.
Ay, wala ito.
Dili. Secure pa rin na entrance. Hey guys, we're now here at Mango Ranch. So, no entrance fee. You can freely take photos, but there's a restaurant I think here. Also farmer's market, so you can buy stuffs. And yeah, it's kaliit. Tapos, and right in front of Mango Ranch is the Tierra Alta, which is the lighthouse ba to? So after this, punta kami doon. Yeah.
You and I'll be better when we're old enough. Take apart all the good things.
Hi.
Stripped away.
Still here taking photos. This is the iconic windmill here sa Mango Ranch. So cutesy and nice people, unfortunately. Naunahan mo. Ang bitaw pidera. Padao lang gamay. Yes, so naibuang dire na eh. Hello, water park hindi ay. Hello. Good kayo. Parang, oh my God. At sa tawa na, obstacle. Hindi niya maklaro guys, sorry. Ay, ako na. Water park ng Mango Ranch. Ako maging na-search kay, ang picture sir kay kani. Just now lang gid ko na water park ng Mango Ranch.
So many times I tried, but I just don't remember. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough.
Anyways, on to our next stop. Piera Alta Lighthouse. Also, there's a cafe there. I want something to drink, so I might do that.
Ang bag, boss.
Piera Alta is a subdivision pala. So basically, this is their clubhouse. And in front of the clubhouse is a lighthouse. Tapos mayroong cafe din inside. So I just ordered take-out na coffee. Just cost 200 pesos. So kung mag-site viewing lang kayo dito, may entrance fee 70 pesos per person. But if you order a minimum of 200 pesos, wala na entrance fee. So yeah, we just took some photos. And currently, parang may reception sa wedding. So we'll go na. So supposedly sa mong next location. But this one, forgot to check. Nagamay na lang ang ang fuel sa Fazio. So we'll find a gasoline station first. Kasi pinaka doon.
I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. Hey, I'm sorry. Do you think we're old enough?
Amazing kayo. May picture. Bagay na itlog.
Good for health, ha?
Good for health. You can't see it. We're now here at Sulphur Fence. So, we'll just take a video and a photo, then we'll go to Pulang Bato right after. By the way, this is Pulang Bato Barangay. Barangay Pulang Bato. So, Pulang Bato Waterfalls na yun.
Long hair silhouette, champagne cigarettes. I try so hard to be something I'm not. So sure I'm distressed. Blame it on the enemy.
Hi! We're done here. By the way, no entrance fee, but mayroong donation box. So, 40 yung nilagay ng each. It's up to you. Also, there's our drone thingy for only 100 pesos. But hindi ka. Kasi nagtitipid na po kami.
Hard to be something I'm not. I just hope that someone
Ba't sila
else
sabihin niya?
can make me stop. 'Cause I think I'm turning around, but it's time to stop pretending. Call me out, I'll be overwhelmed. And I'm sorry for not speaking.
This one is here. Pwede siya maligo, but ayaw niya maligo. Ako, hindi ako maliligo kasi men's day. Look, doon tayo pupunta. More photos. Non-stop photos. Pupunta kami dito. Panay delete ng mga pictures. Pag uwi ko, puno na naman ng pictures. It's so pretty, guys. Cheers! Nagika po yan na siya glaag, guys. Yeah. Probably our last stop. So pretty. Ano yung minaligo eh? Kapo. Ma, ligyas pa lang. Nice adventure man dahil ni guys. Anyway, so far, worth it ang 100. Better unta if makaligo. But don't have the time. Kapag ko nagligo, bis wala pa siya kaligo today. Kanya ako kaligo, pero ko ganing na sa free diving. Dito sa Sikihor. Tapos, after free diving, timing kayo, gilugo na din ko. Anyway, wala sa amin there ka dyan tayo ng malakas.
Picking up, I never share my feelings, but I finally get to be myself. I hate it waste pictures at the discotheque. I try so hard to be something you want.
Pila man bok?
32. Kanan mana ba? Oh, dua.
Di siya kahulat. Maligo na daw ni. Sige. Hey guys, it's morning na pala. I haven't updated you, but yes, we've been here in a supposedly early kami mag-wake up, but hindi kami early nag-wake up kasi ang lamig gabi. But yeah, I just took some photos earlier. Hindi na ako naka-vlog kasi photos is life. Tapos ngayon, enjoy before kami alis. Second slide trial. Gora! Uy! Uy! Kadlo, kadoy! Kadlo kayo! Riyan na nito! Tara! Uy! Nakuyawan ko! Kalay-kalay! Pero gid ko taman guys because I'm not planning to swim because luoy na kayo akong hair everyday na siya gakaliguan supposedly with my balyag twice a week or thrice a week or maligo or mabasa so naligo lang ko kahapon those not to today kasi ano yan pupunta na kami ng Bohol wala naman kaming swimming na gagawin sa Bohol mga touristy spots lang yeah siya lang mag-enjoy. Niundang. I'm training him to do how to properly swim Olympic style. Because if you don't know, swimming lessons ako before. But I'm not very good at it because I'm small. So yeah, I'm training him para sa entrance. Try mo appeal. Gitrain po na ako siya bubbles sa breathing technique for swimmers to relax. Enjoy kaligo ako kaya. Pero mga guys, napulaan akong ligo sa Siargao. Siargao bilang maingon instead of Sikihor. Sa Sikihor. Piling ako here yung nag-slides but wala ko yung energy guys. Kaya kaya akong plus one. Anyways, if you did not know or kung hindi ko nasabi, nag-free diving ako kahapon sa Sikihor before kami umalis. I had fun. Insert clips. Jellyfish sting atin yun, naman. Actually, I already have this history of jellyfish sting. But I think mas worse yung first time ko. Ito yung second time. So, pakita ko sa mga. Tada! Kita niyo ba guys? Tada! Tada! Here. Ito. Jellyfish stings. The moment that the jellyfish stings me, sabi ko talaga ni kuya yung guide ko. Okay na kuya? Kung na yung jellyfish dire, siya, nakuha na sting na guide ko. Okay na kuya, ito na ta. Okay, inawan ko history na grabe akong effects sa jellyfish ako amang dyan allergic ko. So, hindi na ito palabian. Nabi ko gamay gani iron. Diban man day. Di ba siya maklaro on sa first day? The day na pag-sting, ito siya maklaro marag pagkaugma. Karon panamula karon maglagom dayon ni siya eventually yeah enjoy pa kayo.
Everyone is watching, but I still feel so alone, alone, alone. And I've been waiting on a miracle, but by the time it comes I'll probably be stoned or on my phone. Oh no, I'm sure that you have got the perfect positive quote to say, but I don't want your optimism today. I just wanna complain. It takes a whole damn hour to afford to get cold. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. I got a hole in my heart, it keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up. A room in my liver, I'm a poster child, millennial. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah.
Loko siya. Nanagad ako na yung gusto. Ready to go. Before everything else, lapit sa may church and Valencia Plaza. Also there's a museum there. Ay, bird feeding dire. Supposedly sa cathedral. So dito na lang. Kailangan ako nag-prayer for safe right pababay. Naman, nadili ni ko na mong gamit. Bird feed ta. Pila daw. Pupunta na. Pila?
20.
Biga na eh. Sige ka. Just fed the birds. Bye-bye. Di sila mahadlok eh. Di sila mulupad. Gusto mo mulupad sila. Done here. Here at Kataal Museum, World War II Museum. So, mga old artifacts from the war. So, you know, guys, we're really from World War II.
To the study of the spiritual forces with which all of us are blessed. And it was in this field that I came upon a clue. I want to describe my discovery in the simplest terms possible, because it will reveal to you why it is true that whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve.
Dako kayo.
Papa.
Papaulo. Papa sa Pilipinas. Pagdalaw ng Papa sa Pilipinas. Mga collections. Dollars na siguro na. Ay, euro. Yung Elizabeth mo na. Saan na siya na movie yun? Ano na?